Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's the Valentine season, a season of love, and I have collaborated with other amazing YouTubers here on YouTube. So today's makeup tutorial is in collaboration with 10 awesome, beautiful and talented ladies here on YouTube, and they are Buki Kulere, Ritzy, Celine Okere. We have Dumebilia. I also collaborated with Eve Mafang, Beat Buki, Natural Cookie, a makeup junkie, Princess Yin, and my humble self. I'm going to leave the link of this beautiful ladies tutorial down in my description box. We all collaborated to a date night Valentine makeup inspired tutorial. So if you want to see how I create mine, please don't go anywhere, keep watching, and don't forget to check out other amazing ladies I collaborated with. I'm going to drop their links in the description box below. Don't go anywhere. I'm starting off this makeup tutorial by priming my eyelid with the Fair Gold eyeshadow primer using a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going in with this gorgeous color from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm patting this on my eyelid. Using patting and tapping motions, I'm going to be spreading this color all over my eyelid, but leaving a tiny space towards the end of my eyelid. I'm going to be repeating the same step for the other eye as well. Going in with this Tales Cosmetics eyeshadow shade, I can't remember the name of the shade. I'm using this to carve out my outer crease or do an outer V, because I want to add a little depth and definition to that part of my eyelid. I'm doing this using a small smudge brush. Going in with my blending brush, I'm going to be blending all the colors together. I'm going to be switching eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using two blue eyeshadows from the House of Tara Margaret Ekbo palette, the light blue and the navy blue, and I'm going to be going back in with this Juvia's Place eyeshadow and taking that dark brown shade. I'm going to be blending all the colors, both the black, the navy blue and the light blue together, using a wipes just to clean out eyeshadow fallout. I'm going to be mixing two glitter shades. It's a navy blue and a pale pink color, using a glitter glue, and I'm going to be spreading those glitter just on the half part of my eyelid. I don't want to take this color all the way into my eyelid, so I'm just going to be concentrating on the middle of my eyelid. Going in with this Cara gel liner. Oh my god, I love this gel liner. The fact that it's even affordable and it is very black and it is also waterproof. So I'm going to be using this to line my lid as well as my waterlines together. Using this eyeliner, this pen liner, the content inside is already dried, so I started using it to apply my gel liners because of the precision at the tip. So I'm going to be lining my waterlines right now. For the next step is the foundation primer. This is from Fair Gold. You all know the drill. I'm going to be applying this evenly on my entire face, and I'm going to be topping it up with number 7 on the highest point of my face. Since it's a date night look, I don't want to get too oily before the night comes in. Using this liquid illuminator from Usher's God, I'm going to be applying just very little and spreading it all over my face. I would have mixed this with my foundation, but I thought against it. So I'm just applying a tiny bit on the highest point of my face. Foundation is from Fair Gold. I recently got the foundation. I'm going to be doing a first impression or review pretty soon on my channel. So using a blending foundation brush, I'm spreading this all around my face. Then I'm going to be switching brushes, using the regular flat foundation brush to apply the colors around my brow regions, on my forehead, and close to my hairline as well. I'm going to be highlighting with the Milani Secret Cover Concealer in Honey 03, and I'm spreading this on the highest point of my face, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I already blended it out, and I'm setting with the Fair Gold setting powder. I'm going to be doing this real quick. If you want to see my foundation highlight and contour routine, I'm going to drop the link down below as well. Contour is from the LA Girl Pro HD matte powder in the shade Cocoa. I'm using this to contour my cheekbones and as well as the bridge of my nose. Setting my face, my entire face, with the Fair Gold foundation and Fair Gold powder. I'm trying to remember the shade. I think it's in number 3, but I can't remember if there's a name on it. So I'm applying my powder everywhere. I actually applied a little blush, and it's from Milani. My glow is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in That Glow. And I'm applying a little highlight using a very light powder. Setting the rest of my face with the NYX matte setting spray. It's a date night, so I really need my face to be matte all night. Using this lip pencil from Kiss Beauty and a lip stain from the Tails Cosmetics in Marrakech. I'm going to be applying this on my lips. I know you guys will be expecting red, but no, I'm just trying to do something different and not do red, because I know red is like the color of Valentine, but nah, I'm different like that. Going back in with the Davis pencil in 03, I just want to darken the outer corners of my mouth a little bit. So I'm going to be taking off my scarf just to arrange my hair a little bit, because I'm not wearing any wig or hair extensions. This is my natural hair, so I'm going to be tying the scarf into a bow. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the links of other ladies I collaborated with in the description box below. I will see you all in my next video, and thank you so much for clicking that button to watch. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for sharing. Bye guys.